Hi, and welcome back to RN by Inside Learning Hub. This is Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching Manual Testing Series. We will continue discuss on software testing methodology, and today's topic is verification and validation. This is a very important topic and frequently asked question in an interview. So let's begin. Verification and validation are two essential part of the testing. It's followed process for determining whether a software product fulfilling its purpose and matches customer expectations. They are integral to software testing and are utilized throughout the development life cycle. So first we discuss on verification. It is the process of verifying whether a software product fulfills the objectives behind its creation and is devoid of bug. Verification examines every predetermined software specification, the plan, code, design, and documents to ensure the product meets them. It includes vital activities like checking the system requirement, business requirements, code walkthrough, and design review. These aim to ensure quality in every aspect of the software from architecture to design. I hope you watched a previous video of the static and dynamic testing we have already covered in this series. So kindly watch the video so you will more understand the verification and validation part after the watching it. So how is the verification testing performed? The following four methods are commonly used. We already discussed these methods in static and dynamic testing. Peer review. Okay. It involves providing the software product to others and asking them to review it. They can share their review about the product quality and help identify flaws. And second is inspection. A particular team inspect the software product and help find potential fault and critical sections. And walkthrough. It involves demonstrating the software to a group of people who are free to ask their doubt. This method can help find potential problems. And last, desk checking. It is a process of reviewing a software source code. The development team usually desk check a program to ensure the algorithm working fine or not. So most important question is when to use verification testing. The QA and testing team must conduct verification test at every phase of the software development lifecycle. One must ensure that these evaluation are done before implementing any feature. So let me give you an example. Suppose there is a button named add to cart. So I am taking an example of Flipkart, Amazon, or some e-commerce website. Okay. So before it deployment start, a verification start will be let the team know about all its predetermined requirement. The expert can then work on every element or feature without missing guidelines. So before proceeding to verification and validation different. Let's understand later what is the validation. So this is now it involves checking whether the final product is up to mark and meets business requirement. The validation activities comprise smoke testing, functional testing, integration testing, and other viable techniques. These software testing procedure help ensure that the final product fulfill the desired user under the right condition and environment. So how is validation is performed? So these are the verification. Okay. So and validation. Design qualification. So it involves designing a validation test plan based on the client's requirement. Installation qualification. Installation. It involves following the validation testing plan and installing the software accordingly. And operation. It involves testing the software using unit testing, integration testing, and more. Performance. It involves verifying whether the software can work in real world per the requirement. So when use the validation testing, the quality assurance team must validate the product every step in its development process. Let me give you an example. Unit testing, a subset of the software validation, is run after developing every unit of the code. So it performed by the developer. So every developer check their code is working fine before the handover to the tester to verify the software. So the integration test, another part of the validation process, is run after different modules have been developed individually and are ready for integration. So like first we got login page, then profile page, then payment page, then so and so. And after then we check the flow testing like integration testing. So cross-browser testing is another vital aspect of the software validation, which involve accessing every feature work as a need on various browser device OS combinations. So let me give an example of verification and validation in software testing. After verifying the add to cart button is built as expected, you can check whether it performs perfectly on different devices and browser. So verification and validation are integral part of the software development. These two viable process can help determine whether the software product fulfill the predetermined requirement and meet the client expectation. I hope you understand the concept and you like the video. To show your feedback, please like the video and share it with your network. If you have any question and suggestion and feedback related to this video and previous video, then feel free to comment on the comment section. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for updated video notifications. Thanks for giving your valuable time to watch this video. Thanks, guys.